there are so many techniques we cover. And there's one more technique I want to tell you. And this technique is also about pushing the quality checking backward and making sure right from the beginning you get good product. Okay.
Dr. G said about getting the quality inspector to the source, so let's get it right away. Why wait for the piece to be done and in a lot go for checking? Make one piece, keep it aside. The quality inspector generally tends to be free in the first hour of the day. So what they can do is, instead of sitting and waiting for the pieces to come to them, they can move across the department and check all the pieces that have been kept in the boxes by the operators. So meanwhile, I keep working on this piece till the quality inspector comes to my department, my desk. I work on the second piece. I've kept this piece in the checking box. Once the inspector comes, he goes through the piece and gives a yes or a no. So if it's a no, he teaches me how to correct it there and then, so that I do not take this defect ahead, make more products with this defect. He teaches me there. It is called as on-the-job learning, is what you call Jidoka. So it teaches you there and then. It prevents the defect. While if the piece is great and good to go ahead, it gives a positive pat on my back that yes, I am doing a great work. And like I said, it will instill a pride of workmanship in me, and I will continue maintaining this standard and delivering a great product each time I make. So this is a maker and checker concept. I first self-check, I do it, I keep it aside and wait for the quality inspector to come at the source and detect it right there.
Experience was with this technique, we found that the quality inspectors were not required after a while, because people started self-checking, and then we could convert some of the inspectors into the operators. We got more productivity. Once they check the first piece themselves, and if they find it's not okay, they make it okay. Now their mind is set. Just like the machine, their mind is set. And with a mind set correctly, they will work wonders.